Alright, so this is where we ended up last time, and now we have to make a human algorithm out of this. I'm not going to do it side by side because it takes up too much room, so I'm just going to keep it in this one file. But I would recommend doing it side by side on your computer. Just don't make the video that large. So what you do in order to do a human algorithm is I simply copy all this. This top part is our first step, and that is we have to assign the number 7 to the number of days. Then we're going to do this input, these calculations, this output. So very easy to do a human algorithm. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy this, and then I'm just going to move down to the bottom here and paste it in. Okay. So the first step is the number of days. That's the first thing we do. And then we have our second step. And our second step is input. And what we want to input is the Monday total. Well, since this is going to be repeated now 7 times, I'm simply going to copy this and paste it each time all the way through. And we want to use the keyword input so that when we're creating our flowchart later on, makes it very easy for us to know what symbol we're going to use. We're going to use the input symbol here. Oops. 4, 5, 6. Shoot. Come on. Stupid Windows. Okay, 7, 8. Okay, so we have our first 8 steps now. I'm just going to delete this and say our 9th step is we're going to do this calculation. Okay, and then our 10th step is going to be this calculation. And then our 11th step is going to be output. And what are we going to output? We're going to output first the weekly total. Then I'm going to copy this, paste it here, and I change that to 12. Alright, so very simple. And actually, if you took out a piece of paper and said, okay, to solve this problem, and then make a list of the steps that a person has to do, you can say, okay, this is what we're going to do. First, take the number 7, put it on a piece of paper, next number of days. Then, write down these 7 words, Monday total, Tuesday total, Wednesday total, and then when a person comes in, you just fill in the numbers next to each one of these words. Monday total, Tuesday total, Wednesday total. When you get all those numbers in, then you go ahead and you add them all up and put the answer next to weekly total. Then you take that weekly total number and divide it by the number of days, which we wrote down up here, and that will give us our daily total. And the last thing I want you to do is tell the person what the weekly total is and tell the person what the daily average is. And there we go. It's very simple, easy, and then we can move on to our flowchart.